PhantomFrame Pro is a video analyzer for paranormal investigators. It does not declare anything paranormal. It helps you slow footage down, inspect it carefully, and rule out what does not hold up. Every bit of analysis runs on your computer. Footage is never uploaded. After a one-time sign-in to activate, PhantomFrame works fully offline for fieldwork. 3 areas. On the left, your session and clips. In the center, the video viewer. On the right, your analysis tools. Click Import Video or drag a clip onto the viewer. Import a whole folder after a full night out. PhantomFrame reads MP4, MOV, WebM, and AVI. Enter the site, location, date, team, and camera mode before you start. These details flow straight into your evidence report later. Each clip shows resolution, frame rate, duration, and size. Watch the frame rate. At 30 frames per second, a frame is about 33 milliseconds. At 60 frames per second, about 17 milliseconds. That matters when something is visible for only a split second. The most important habit in PhantomFrame. Get close with playback, then step 1 frame at a time. If something appears in only a frame or 2 and does not move coherently, treat it as an artifact until proven otherwise. Slow playback down for fast events, speed it up to skim long, static stretches, or set an in and out point to loop a short burst of motion. Scroll to zoom, drag to pan, and study detail without exporting the frame. The magnifier loop floats over the footage so you keep the full frame in context. The histogram measures luminance. If the image is underexposed, you may lift hidden detail from the shadows. If the highlights are clipped, that detail is gone and cannot be recovered. Adjust brightness, contrast, gamma, exposure, saturation, sharpen, and denoise. For dark footage, gamma and shadow lift usually beats simply raising brightness. Low light lift, IR/night, shadow detail, flat off. A preset is a starting point, not a conclusion. Apply one, then fine-tune for your specific clip. The single most important check in the program. Flip between your enhanced view and the untouched frame. Enhancement should reveal what is already there. Never invent what was never recorded. Build a non-destructive stack over the original. Denoise, then gamma, then sharpen. Order matters. Denoise before sharpen, or you sharpen the noise. Reorder, disable, or remove any layer at any time. Average several consecutive frames together. Random sensor noise changes frame to frame. Real static detail stays put. Works best when camera and subject are still. Movement will blur, and that is part of the method. View red, green, or blue alone. In many night vision clips, the green channel holds cleaner luminance detail, while the blue channel tends to carry more sensor noise. Compare each frame to the one before and highlight what changed. Calibrate sensitivity on a quiet stretch until the static background stays dark and only real movement lights up. Accumulate motion over time. Areas of repeated or strong movement glow hotter, so on a long clip you can see where activity happened without watching every second. Remember, most motion is ordinary. Draw a box around a moving feature and track it across frames. PhantomFrame plots the path and reports average speed, peak speed, and straightness, turning that moves strangely into something measurable. Set sensitivity on a quiet section, then scan the clip. PhantomFrame drops a marker wherever activity rises above the baseline, turning a long recording into a short list of moments worth reviewing. The scan finds motion. You decide what it means. Press M to mark a moment. PhantomFrame pauses, captures the current frame, and saves the exact timestamp. Label anomalies, ruled out contamination, lighting changes, team movement, anything that may matter at review. From the File menu, save the current frame as a PNG, a clean still, a stacked frame, or a process comparison. Region clips, sessions, and projects export from here too. Write notes that explain your reasoning, not just your conclusion. The Integrity panel records ASHA 256 hash, so a frame can be verified as unaltered later. When the review is done, generate a branded PDF from your session details, marked frames, notes, and exhibits. A structured record for your team or client, instead of a scattered folder of screenshots. Marker navigation and resets live here. Add a marker at the playhead, jump between markers, or reset the enhancement tools. Switch scopes between histogram, audio spectrogram, and motion heat map, and control zoom, pan, and the loop. Toggle motion detection, reset the heat map, loop a region, flip reverse playback, and open branding and team setup for your report identity. Import footage and fill in the session. Watch once, then frame step the suspicious moments. Check the histogram before you enhance. Apply gentle enhancements, compare against raw. Use motion detection, the heat map for long clips. Track features with ROI, scan for events. Mark moments, add notes, save keyframes. Generate the evidence report. The strongest evidence is not the footage that looks strange at first glance. It is the footage that still matters after careful review.